In this video, you'll learn how to assemble the seca mBCA Alpha or the seca TRU Alpha. You have received 2 boxes with all the components needed to assemble the device. Inside the display package, there is also an additional cable that is not needed for this installation and is intended for other product configurations. Place a carpet or fabric on the floor to protect sensitive surfaces from scratches. First, carefully place the weighing platform upside down on a soft, non-scratch surface. Now, mount the transport wheels in the designated position. Insert the washer onto the M5x20 screws and tighten them with the 4mm Allen key until they are hand tight. Then, turn the platform back over to the other side. Remove the column connection cover using the 4mm Allen key. Set aside the cover and associated screws for reassembly later. Identify the 2 BIA foot electrode cables under the cover. Guide both cables through the opening. Next, take the column and slide it onto the platform, ensuring correct placement of the cables. Attach the column element to the platform using a 5mm Allen key and 4 M6x20 screws. After attaching the column, mount the multifunction display at the center top of the handrail. Once the display is in position, make sure the pre-installed M4x12 screw is straight and aligned with the threaded socket at the bottom. Then tighten it with the 3mm Allen key. Then connect the cable hanging from the handrail to the designated socket on the back of the display and snap it into place. To connect the cables from the weighing platform to the BIA box, first remove the lower part of the cover using a screwdriver and the cable entry by carefully pressing the pins outwards. Remove the lower cable duct cover. Connect the cable marked with 6 from the platform to socket 6 of the BIA box. Then connect the cable marked with 5 from the platform to socket 5 of the BIA box. Insert the short connection cable into the remaining socket on the platform. Then route the cables through the duct to avoid tension on the connectors of the BIA box or the weighing platform. Then connect the other end of the cable to the seca device bus on the bottom right socket of the BIA box. With the supplied foam pads, secure the cables inside the cable channel. Insert the cable entry into the BIA box and reattach the box cover. Reattach the column connection cover using the 4mm Allen key. Insert the lower cable duct cover. When you're finished, check out our next video for more about the device.